Hey friends, just taking a little bit of a break here from all of the holiday preparations to jump on and wish you all a beautiful holiday season. We are getting ready to celebrate Christmas tomorrow, so I have some very excited boys running around the house. So we are busy wrapping presents, making amazing food, oh gosh, taking Santa photos, having good quality family time. Oh, if you have any fun holiday movie recommendations, I would love them in the comments below. My boys are at the age where they think Die Hard is a Christmas movie. I dissent. I don't think that it is, but I think we're going to do a little Griswold action for movie night tonight. But just know that you have all brought me so much joy this year, and I'm filled with so much gratitude that even in the depths of winter, you are still with me on my gardening journey, even when it feels like I am literally the only person out in the world digging in the dirt right now. So I'm sending you a whole lot of love. So much thanks for being with me throughout the year. And I hope you are surrounded by those you love during this season and you get a little moment to get out there and say hello to your garden for me.